date. The following soaps will be available at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time at royaltysoaps.com. We've got Cotton Candy Dreamin', Malibu Camper, Keep Smilin', Pastel Popcorn, Unicorn Milkshake, and the soap that today's video is all about, the signature Girl World soap. This soap has everything that I could think of that was representative of the collection and Barbie. We've got a Barbie high heel, we've got red lips, we've got a super sparkly star, we got all the glitter, we got everything, it's pink, it's delightful. Without further ado, let's make some soap. I cannot believe I am making the final soap in the Girl World collection. This has gone by too fast, and now I want to do another Girl World collection. So I'm pouring my lye water solution into my oils. It's around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to make soap like me, the recipe is down in the description box below, and I'll teach you how to make soap in my Royal Creative Academy. It's free. It comes with everything you need to learn how to make soap, all the instructions, all the ingredients. And my goal was 2 parts. 1, to teach you how to make beautiful soap right off the back, no more first time ugly bars. And number 2, to make it inexpensively. I tried to make the cheapest soap that I could while still guaranteeing that it would be a good bar of soap. So now let's mix this on up. Looks beautimous. Now, I do know that the fragrance oil I'm using today does accelerate slightly, so I didn't blend until light trace or medium trace. I just blended past emulsion because I know I'm gonna have to blend all the colors in, and yeah, it's better this way. All right, so let's add some colors. Our first accent color is going to be a very, very bright white. I'm mixing this around to make sure I don't forget anything. No speckets left behind. And then we have some Flirt Mica. This is from Mad Micas. And finally, we have Pretty Kitty color. So this is a really, really, really bright pink. It leans a little bit towards the purple side of pink, which is why I felt it would go really good with this flirt color. Now, knowing full well that this fragrance oil, which is Icy Shine from Nature's Garden, kind of curdles the batter, I'm going to mix this while I pour it in. Okay, so this is looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and pour it into our molds. All right, first we'll start with a goodly bit of pink. Oh, that is just, what a boost of serotonin right there. Now we're gonna pour in some of that white and some of this darker pink. And now that everything has been poured in, I'm going to take this white spoon. It has a pretty thick circumference, and I'm just going to use it to swirl all around, mainly going one direction and then the other. Same thing over here, one direction and then the other. And I know it's looking a little messy right now. I'll clean up these edges and tap it down and it'll look a lot better. All right, so time to start piping. Pretty sure this is a little bit runny. It wasn't coming out whenever I was filling the bag, but I see now that I have all the weight and all the pressure on it, it's changed its mind. I do have 3 embeds though per soap, so it's better to put it on a little bit runny and have to correct that a little later than having it be too hard and none of the embeds stick, because that's a real loss right there. I'll go ahead and fill in this little bit here. Okay, so now that I have that first little bit on here, I am going to drip just some regular old tickled pink color mixed with a little bit of oil. Okay, so I did a 3-2 piping. And now I'm going to add a little bit more of my oil drizzle. Let that all sink in. It always looks so much better after it's sat for a little bit. And the first embed we're going to add is this pair of red lips. You know Barbie, she be wearing the lipstick. I remember one of the Barbies that I had growing up had color changing lipstick. I think she was a mermaid Barbie, and like her tail and her lips and her makeup all changed depending on if she was wet or not. So now it's time to take some of my secret sauce super sparkly glitter blend. I'm using a mix of 3 different glitters, one of which is called Fairy Tale. It's by The Good Glitter. I wanted to get about half of my glitter on before I add the other embeds. I just felt like I stood a better chance getting the sides of the bar by doing that before I put the side embeds on. All right, so we've got that first one in. Now it's time to add the rest of the embeds. The second embed we have to add is this purple star with glitter, including hollow glitter in it, and this pink Barbie shoe. Now I'm going to turn the soap just like this for a little while I try to configure how exactly I want to stick all of this in. Okay, now to figure out how on earth I'm gonna get this Barbie shoe on. I don't know if I should attempt to lay it flat. I feel like that's probably the smartest thing, is to lay it flat so it doesn't fall off or break in shipping, because that would be bad. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in like this, kind of on an angle, and it has been covered in a little bit of glitter. Now listen, if you haven't ever watched Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures on Netflix, I know I'm a full-grown adult talking about a children's show, but listen, it's so good, and I obviously have little kids, and that's why I saw it in the first place. But my siblings watch it, my kids watch it, and it's one of those shows that you're happy to watch with your kids, and not one of the ones that you're like, please don't pick that again. Oh, I'm so sick of looking at that one. No, Barbie Life in the Dream House teaches kids how to be kind to others and how to follow their dreams, be productive. I can't say enough good things about it. It's highly focused on working with your family, being nice to people who are mean to you. Like, there's just so many good things to say about that show. I just love it. Okay, time for the rest of the glitter. I know it's a lot of glitter. I understand. It really is, but I feel like it's just so necessary for this bar. Gonna turn this around, make sure everybody is evenly coated. All right, I am gonna wipe up the glitter that has gotten absolutely everywhere, but this is it, the finished Girl World soap. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, guys, the signature Girl World soap is ready to be cut. I've actually let this sit for about 72 hours, and if you can hear a mower in the background, my apologies. My brother Elisha is mowing my lawn today. There's not a lot I can do about that. So now I'm just gonna line it all up, press down gently and hope for the best. I'm just gonna have to slide this forward a little bit. There's some stars in the way. Now we can bring it down. All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. We got those popping colors. We've got that fun swirl in there. We got light pink on the top. We got a Barbie shoe, some lips, a star. It's really the complete package, and it smells phenomenal. Icy Shine is a duplication scent by Garnier Fructis. It smells like their shampoo. So I don't use Garnier Fructis shampoo. I use my own shampoo bars, and I use stuff by Laneige? I never say that word correctly. But I really, really like the smell of Garnier Fructis. I think it smells so, so good. So I tried this fragrance oil years ago because I like the smell so much and I loved it then. I made a soap with a bunch of crystals on it and it was kind of the way that I debuted the scent, and it's been a while since I've done it again. The swirl is great. It's just enough. And now for the question of the day that really matters. Barbies or Bratz dolls? There's a pretty funny video out there from Curtis Connor about Barbies versus Bratz. My mom was one of the moms that was like, these Bratz have attitudes. They just, there's something about them. They don't look as wholesome. And now, as a mom myself, I can see why she thought that. They didn't look as wholesome as Barbies. I don't know what their career choices were besides fashion and stuff. Maybe there were like Dr. Bratz that I don't know about, but I'm pretty sure the only thing I remembered them being as a kid was like fashion and stuff, and I think my mom wanted to keep my interests a little broader than that. She didn't like the attitude, so I didn't have Bratz dolls, which was fine because I didn't really want them. I did have My Scene dolls. You remember My Scene? But yeah, Barbies or Bratz? You gotta let me know which one was your favorite and why. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and have enjoyed seeing the progression of the Girl World collection. This really is my favorite collection I've done all year. It has me super excited, super inspired. Thanks to all of you guys who shop with us today and who have just, been supporting us by liking our Instagram content and liking our TikTok. It means so much to me, and this, our 10-year anniversary month for Royalty Soaps. It's just, everything's exciting. Okay, great. Have an absolutely royal day. I will see you guys on Instagram and TikTok. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today. I don't care what it is. Go out there and pet a rabbit. Go out there and buy new cutlery. Just do something for you. I'll see you guys in the next video where we will be making the next soap collection. And if you are a Royal VIP newsletter subscriber, you already know what that next collection is because we already done told you. There is a link down below in the description box for you to sign up for that if you're interested. Don't forget to get the exclusive Royalty Soaps Girl World stickers. It is pink sunglasses. It's literally the most adorable thing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a royal day and bye for now. Yeah!